So we'll start off at the bottom as always. We've got an adjustable butt pad, really nice. Coming down on this, I must say, beautiful stock. We've got an adjustable cheek piece. So it's for lefties and righties. Swing it down a bit. We've got a really, really nice piece here with a 40 logo on it. Some nice grip there. And on the underside, where it would normally say Airarms, it does have Airarms 40th. Put that back. So if we stick to the top, we've got ourselves a nice bolt. That's there. Tip it so you can see it. Metal trigger guard, lovely. Metal trigger, lovely. Coming down, we've got some steepling here. It's a really fine steepling amongst a foregrip. Does have a multi-shot magazine just here, which you'll see in a little while. Here we've got a titanium tube, I believe, if I'm correct. Titanium tube. Working our way down to the bottom. It's got a moderator with it.